Hello everyone, this is Henan SHENGMAO machinery. Today I will introduce to you one set of our specially designed mobile dry mix concrete batching plant. This set doesn't need the concrete foundation on the job site, and it's with tires, very easy to move to another job site. This is the aggregate batcher with two bins, one for stone and one for sand. Below the aggregate batcher is the weighing belt to transport and weigh the aggregate. This is a water tank, and this is a cement hopper. If you use the bag type cement, you can use this cement hopper and through the screw conveyor to transport the cement to the cement silo on the mobile plant. This is a conveyor belt. The aggregate, after being weighed, will be transported by this conveyor belt to the discharging door. This is the cement weighing hopper. The cement will be transported through that screw conveyor to the cement weighing hopper to weigh the cement. And after the cement is weighed, it will be transported to the discharging hopper. This is the water weighing hopper. Above it is the additive weighing hopper. This is the control panel of this mobile plant. It can manually control or automatically control the operation of the concrete batching plant. Our SHENGMAO machinery is very professional in designing and producing concrete batching plant. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.